Welcome to the Impeccable Investor, guys. Today we are going for some of the easiest day trading strategies. These could be practiced to have a better chance of earning profit. For those who don't know what day trading is, it is the buying and selling of financial instruments on a single day. There can be multiple times on a single day where you could do it. This is the game where you have to take advantage of a small movement in the price. The day trading can be even a dangerous one for those who aren't new to it. Well, moving on to our strategies. But before that, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our future videos. Number 1 is TTM Scalper. This one is a day trading indicator that is used in stock or other trading markets. It works based on pivot level against which you have to determine to either buy or sell a certain specific product. The pivot level is marked by a white paint bar. These include either the pivot high or the pivot low. The confirmation speed in TTM Scalper depends on the time frame speed. One of the major advantages of this strategy is that it is a great help for the newbies. This is because you just have to enter the trades at the beginning and then set the exit points. The other benefit is that you don't have to monitor it frequently. The only drawback of this strategy is that you have to perform at least 100 of trade to make the result a profitable one. Still, this one is loved by many, especially the newbies. Number 2 is a triangle breakout. Being one of the most common patterns in day trading, there are several types of the importance of it as well. It helps in determining the fluctuations and volatility of trade. You can get many trading opportunities from this one, either during its forming or even after it gets completed. In this strategy, you just have to buy when the asset price goes beyond the upper trend line. When the price of the asset drops below the lower trend line, you can do short sell as well. Number 3 is MACD. This strategy is also known as moving average convergence divergence. Despite its long and complicated name, the actual strategy is quite easy. It is also a popular one and is known for its simplicity and flexibility. For the trading divergence, one goes for the MACD histogram. The moving average is calculated in this one, where closing prices in a certain period is used. When the histogram is above the 9-day EMA, it is positive and vice versa. The MACD histogram is the major cause of the popularity of this strategy. This is because of the speed of the movement of price. It is majorly used for determining the strength of price movement rather than the direction of the trend. Number 4 is RSI. RSI, or Relative Strength Indicator strategies, is majorly used to determine stock performance. This is done by comparing the strength of stock during the time it was up versus when it was done. The range of this number is between 0 and 100. The bullish and bearishness are the term which is commonly used in this strategy. The former is used when the reading is above 70, while the latter is used when the reading goes below 30. There is also a formula associated with this technique, which should be gone through if you are looking to go for this strategy. Being a straightforward strategy, it is an easy one. However, the market may have several uncertainties, so you should take care of it as well. Number 5 is VWEB. Volume Weight Average Price strategy is used by the majority of traders. There is a calculation that has to be done in this strategy which makes it be used one time a day. The strategy will provide you with an average with volume as its major aspect. Due to the involvement of the volume, you get a more accurate average price of the instruments. This strategy can maximize your profit to a great extent. One of the most valuable information provided by the strategy is that it will let you know whether you achieved more or less than the average price. That's it from us, guys. Do not forget to like and share this video with your friends who are involved in the trading sector. Tell us in the comment section if you know about more of these strategies which are easy to follow. Also, subscribe to our channel to watch more informative videos in the future. Thanks for watching it. See you next time.